I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know the time.
Hey modification enthusiasts, and welcome back to Steel and Style Garage channel, where we turn ordinary rides into head-turning masterpieces. Don't even think about skipping today's video because we've got 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom RAV4 builds waiting for you at the end that will completely change how you see this popular crossover. Today we're diving deep into the incredibly versatile world of Toyota RAV4 modifications, exploring everything from subtle enhancements to complete transformations that push the boundaries of automotive customization. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our growing community of automotive enthusiasts who live for that perfect blend of steel and style.
I need my privacy, I need some silence. Please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning.
Before we get started, drop a comment below telling us which RAV4 modification style you're most excited to see, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're ready to see this practical family crossover transform into something extraordinary. From aggressive JDM stance to luxury VIP treatment, off-road beasts to futuristic concepts, we're covering every possible way to customize the RAV4 platform to match your unique personality and driving needs.
I can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
The Japanese domestic market style transforms the humble RAV4 into a street-hugging beast with an unmistakable presence that commands attention wherever it goes. Starting with a dramatic drop in ride height using adjustable coilovers or air suspension, the JDM approach brings the RAV4 closer to the ground, while wide-body fenders create that distinctive muscular stance enthusiasts crave. Aggressive wheel fitment with deep dish rims sporting negative camber completes the signature look, with most builders opting for classic JDM wheel brands like Work, Volk, or Raise, in sizes ranging from 18 to 20 inches. The exterior aesthetic typically includes a front lip splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a subtle roof spoiler, all working together to enhance the aerodynamic profile while maintaining that clean, purposeful JDM philosophy. What really sets apart a proper JDM-style RAV4 is the attention to detail with accent colors, subtle graphics, and the integration of Japanese cultural elements throughout the build. Some enthusiasts opt for rising sun motifs, kanji characters, or cherry blossom accents to emphasize the Japanese inspiration behind their creation. Interior modifications usually feature racing bucket seats, a short throw shifter for manual, transmission models, and aftermarket gauges to monitor vital performance metrics. What's your take on the JDM stance approach for the RAV4? Drop a comment if you've attempted this style or if you're planning a JDM-inspired build for your Toyota. Crossover! The muscle car approach to RAV4 modification injects pure American attitude into Toyota's crossover, creating a unique fusion of utility and hair-raising performance that defies expectations. The heart of any muscle-inspired RAV4 is a significant power upgrade, with some builders swapping in larger displacement engines or adding forced induction to the stock power plant. Superchargers being particularly popular for their instant throttle response and characteristic whine. The exterior transformation typically involves a more aggressive hood with functional air scoops, flared wheel arches to accommodate wider wheels, and bold racing stripes running from front to back, creating that unmistakable muscle car aesthetic that turns heads at every stoplight. The exhaust system gets a complete overhaul with high-flow catalytic converters and larger diameter pipes culminating in aggressive dual or quad tips that produce the signature muscle car rumble that enthusiasts live for. The suspension setup prioritizes straight-line acceleration and stability with stiffer springs, performance shocks, and additional chassis bracing to handle the increased power output. Inside, you'll find performance-oriented upgrades like a short throw shifter, racing pedals, and often a roll cage for added safety and structural rigidity during high-performance driving. What makes muscle car-inspired RAV4s so appealing is their sleeper potential, maintaining much of the practical utility of the original crossover while packing unexpected performance that catches unsuspecting sports car drivers completely off guard. Have any of you attempted a muscle-inspired RAV4 build? Share your horsepower numbers in the comments below. We'd love to see what kind of power you're pushing through these versatile platforms. The European approach to RAV4 modification emphasizes refined performance, precise handling, and understated aesthetic improvements that create a sophisticated driving machine without sacrificing daily usability. Euro-tuned RAV4s typically feature meticulously calibrated performance suspensions with progressive springs and adaptive dampers that strike the perfect balance between comfort and handling, allowing the crossover to carve corners with unexpected precision while still soaking up road imperfections. The exterior modifications tend towards subtle enhancement rather than dramatic transformation, with clean body kits that improve aerodynamics, slightly wider stance for stability, and tastefully sized wheels, usually 19-20 inches, with performance-oriented, low-profile tires from premium European manufacturers. Performance upgrades focus on comprehensive engine management with professional ECU tuning rather than bolt-on parts, resulting in power delivery that's as smooth as it is potent, the hallmark of proper European tuning philosophy. Interior modifications in Euro-styled RAV4s prioritize driver engagement and premium materials, often featuring Alcantara or fine leather upholstery, upgraded steering wheels with ergonomic grips, and enhanced instrumentation for better performance. Feedback. What truly distinguishes the European approach is the holistic nature of the modifications. Every change is carefully considered for its impact on overall vehicle balance and driving dynamics, rather than isolated improvements. The result is a RAV4 that feels cohesively engineered rather than simply modified, with capabilities that extend far beyond straight-line speed to embrace the full spectrum of driving situations. Which European performance crossover would you like to see the RAV4 challenge on a twisty mountain road? Let us know in the comments. The luxury VIP approach transforms the practical RAV4 into a premium executive transport with an emphasis on comfort, craftsmanship, and sophisticated presence that rivals many luxury brands. At the foundation of any proper VIP-style RAV4 is an adjustable air suspension system that provides both the characteristic low stance when parked and practical ride height when navigating urban obstacles, creating that unmistakable stance without compromising everyday usability. Exterior modifications maintain clean body lines while subtly enhancing the vehicle's presence through custom paintwork in deep, rich colors, often with metallic or pearl finishes, color-matched trim elements, and tastefully sized premium wheels. with intricate designs mounted on tires with generous sidewalls for that perfect cushioned ride. Window tinting is typically dark but tasteful, balancing privacy with elegance, while custom lighting upgrades both enhance visibility and create a distinctive signature after dark. The interior transformation is where VIP-style RAV4s truly shine, with complete upholstery overhauls featuring premium materials like Nappa leather, suede, or even exotic options for those with unlimited budgets. Entertainment systems receive significant upgrades with audiophile quality components, while ambient lighting creates a soothing atmosphere during night drives. Some builders take the luxury approach further with custom rear seating arrangements, integrated refreshment consoles, or even partition screens for those who prefer to be chauffeured. What luxury features would you incorporate into your dream VIP RAV4 build? Share your most extravagant ideas in the comments section. We're curious to see just how far you'd take the luxury concept with Toyota's versatile crossover platform. When unlimited budget meets unbridled creativity, the RAV4 transforms into a rolling masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of automotive customization to heights that must be seen to be believed. These no-compromise builds often begin with complete chassis reinforcement and power upgrades that can include engine swaps from high-performance Toyota models or even completely custom powertrains developing north of 500 horsepower. Numbers that completely redefine what's possible from Toyotas. Practical crossover. Exterior modifications become truly extreme with handcrafted wide-body elements, active aerodynamics that adjust based on driving conditions, and often custom-fabricated body panels that dramatically alter the vehicle's proportions and stance, while maintaining just enough RAV4 DNA to reveal its humble origins. Paint and finish options enter the realm of art with multi-stage color-shifting finishes, hand-painted graphics, or even specialized materials like carbon fiber overlays and titanium accents that would be financially prohibitive for most builds. The interior of these extreme builds becomes a showcase of craftsmanship with completely redesigned dashboards, custom digital instrumentation, and bespoke seating arrangements crafted from premium materials not typically found in automotive applications. Advanced technology integration includes cutting-edge entertainment systems, vehicle telemetry monitoring, and often proprietary control interfaces developed specifically for the vehicle. What makes these unlimited budget builds so fascinating is not just their extravagance, but their ability to still function as practical vehicles while incorporating innovations that sometimes influence mainstream production years later. If money were no object, what's the most extreme modification you would make to a RAV4? Share your wildest dreams in the comments. There are no wrong answers when imagination is the only limit. Imagining the RAV4 of 2070 requires us to envision a vehicle that transcends current technological limitations while maintaining the versatile spirit that has made this crossover so enduringly popular across generations. This futuristic concept embraces a dramatically sculpted exterior with active aerodynamic elements that continuously adjust to optimize efficiency. The body itself constructed from revolutionary carbon nanofiber composites that weigh a fraction of today's materials, while offering superior strength and impact resistance. The propulsion system abandons conventional fossil fuels entirely in favor of advanced solid-state battery technology with integrated solar harvesting surfaces and wireless charging capabilities, providing virtually unlimited range without the infrastructure dependencies that limited early electric vehicles. Wheel designs blur the boundary between tire and rim with adaptive materials that reshape in real time to optimize contact patches for different surfaces and driving conditions, eliminating the need for dedicated off-road or performance configurations. Inside, the cabin represents a paradigm shift in human-machine interface, with holographic displays, gesture controls, and biometric systems that adapt to each occupant's preferences the moment they enter the vehicle. Advanced autonomous driving. Capabilities coexist with enthusiast-focused manual control systems that can be engaged whenever the driver seeks a more connected experience. Perhaps most remarkably, this future RAV4 incorporates climate-positive technology that actively purifies the surrounding environment, capturing carbon and releasing filtered air cleaner than what it takes in, making it not just carbon neutral, but environmentally beneficial. What technologies do you think will define vehicles half a century from now? Share your predictions in the comments, and let's see whose vision of automotive future comes closest to reality as the years unfold. The off-road approach to RAV4 modification honors Toyota's adventure-ready heritage by transforming this crossover into a highly capable trail machine, ready to venture far beyond where the pavement ends. The foundation of any serious off-road build starts with a lifted suspension package providing crucial additional ground clearance, typically 2 to 4 inches depending on the intended use, along with heavy-duty components designed to withstand the punishment of rough terrain. All-terrain or mud-terrain tires mounted on reinforced wheels provide the essential traction needed for challenging surfaces, while body protection, including skid plates, rock sliders, and reinforced bumpers, shields vital components from obstacles encountered during adventure driving. Practical additions like roof racks, light bars, and recovery points aren't just for looks. They're functional necessities for extended backcountry exploration where self-sufficiency becomes critical. Performance modifications for off-road builds focus on improving low-end torque, enhancing cooling systems for sustained operation in challenging conditions, and often include snorkel intakes for water crossings. What makes the RAV4 particularly interesting as an off-road platform is its relatively lightweight and nimble dimensions compared to traditional off-roaders, allowing it to navigate tight trails that would challenge larger vehicles. Have you taken your RAV4 off the beaten path? Share your trail stories and modification tips in the comments section. Our community loves learning from real-world experiences that push these versatile vehicles to their limits.